girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl. If you're new to this, I am just setting up my YouTube channel to create all the inspired makeup tutorials, and today I am doing this pinkish look. I got this inspirations from one of my absolute favorite makeup artists. This is her Instagram. I absolutely love her makeup, and when I see her doing this pink makeup look on one of the models, I thought it would be fun for me to kind of recreate that kind of look and see how it turns out on me. I love this look on myself, so I'm gonna show you guys how I recreate this makeup, because some of the products that she's using, I don't have it. So I'm just gonna be a little bit creative. I'm using a very different kind of products that usually people wouldn't think of it. So if you want to know how I recreate this look using some of the tricks, please keep on watching. I'm gonna go with this Coverfx Rose Gold. I'm just gonna put like here at the higher cheekbones. These are the area I really want my skin to like glow and shine. Don't worry that it's being too shiny and glowy right now, because we're gonna apply the foundations on top of it, so it will look very natural. I'm using Dior Backstage foundation. Like you can see, the skin looks glowing from within. For the eyes, I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty as the base. You guys know that I love my Fenty Beauty. I like to use this color as the base on my eyes. It's kind of like my daily makeup routine. I'm gonna use something a little bit different for my eye. I'm using my eye pencil. This is the Growth Proof pencil because I want that kind of brown, creamy brown on my eyelid today. So I'm gonna use this to go ahead with my eyebrow. Sorry, to go ahead with my eyelid. I'm gonna blend it in with my Tarte palette, and I'm gonna go in with this color called Rebel. I like to do a little bit of the H, a cat eye, just to give it a little bit of fox sultry eye look, because I like to elongate my eyes. This is like the trick that I use in my almost every single makeup. I'm using a Q-tip just to remove a little bit at the front of the makeup, because I want like the pink color shade to like pop. Just to put my concealer into my eyes. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to this beautiful palette from MAC Pro, and I'm dabbing into these two beautiful pink shades. I'm gonna add on the color using this slightly hot pink. I'm going back to this one. I'm using fluffy clean brush just to blend it in and kind of buff up the edges. Like sometimes you put a little bit too much makeup on the eyes, and you can always go back to a clean brush to kind of just buff it up. You just keep doing it until the blending is well in place. After I blend in, it gives a really like smoky pinkish eye look. Going back to this two same beautiful color, I'm just tapping in. This will be sort of the base to give that little bit of that pink shiny glow. And I'm using this hot pink color, and then I'm just gonna tap at the higher cheekbones here, slightly swiping up. Next thing I'm gonna do is using my Kat Von D eyeliner. I'm gonna draw that cat eye line as I usually do. So I do not have a white eye pencil. What I'm gonna do is that I am going to use this MAC Pro palette. I am going to this white color. I'm using this to tight lining my lower waterline. It wouldn't give as good as using a white eye pencil for sure, but since we do not have it, I am gonna improvise just a little bit. Alright, then I'm gonna put on mascara and cut my lashes off the screen. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back with my mascara on. I am going to using my Burt's Bees lip balm to prep my eyebrow. In my dewy skin tutorial, I show how I do my eyebrow to create that natural lifted eyebrow, and this is like the most important step. First, I'm gonna use setting spray. I'm just gonna spray over. I'm just gonna comb my eyebrow. I'm always using like fingers to kind of lift up my eye so that I kind of know where and how I want to draw my eye. Going back to Tarte's palette, I'm using the color Jet Setter. I'm going back to my eyebrow pencil and I'm just gonna put a little bit of the setting spray and go right into lip balm, and I'm doing a swiping up motion again just to kind of like fix my eyebrow. I've been so obsessed with this kind of eyebrow lately. I feel like this eyebrow kind of lift up your hair makeup. It changed the makeup game totally, so I'm so into this makeup. I'm going in with my MAC Pro HD powder just to sort of set the makeup, especially under the eye. Just gonna put like a little bit over here so that later on we're gonna do a contour of the nose and the middle of the forehead. So I'm going back to my Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna start contouring my nose. With the leftover, I'm just gonna go over from the top of my nose all the way to my eyebrow here, just to kind of link the whole makeup together. I'm going back with my foundation brush to buff it out. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty stick. This is the color Cinnamon. This is a little bit shiny, but the other day when I tried it out and blended it, it doesn't look shiny on the face, to be honest. Where you're gonna draw the line is that when you look at yourself, find your hollow, and then you're just gonna draw that line down. I am going to my bronzer, and then I'm just gonna swipe up. I am also gonna use just a little bit over here to kind of elongate the eyes. Now it's the glowing time. I am going back to my MAC Pro eyeshadow palette. I am actually gonna mix this two color. That's a really pretty color. Finally, it's the lip time. I am gonna use my eyeshadow. This is hot pink. I'm just gonna use this to kind of overline my lip. I don't have like a darker pink lip liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead with using the eyeshadow to kind of create a line that I want. It works so for anyone who doesn't have that particular lip liner, you can always use your eyeshadow palette to do the overlining. You know, I'm just gonna be creative, you know. I like using all sort of like products to just gonna give it a try to see if it works or not. If it works, then it's good. You don't have to spend lots of money to buy every single product, right? So we're just gonna kind of be a little bit more creative to do to create the kind of makeup that we want. You know, just try to have fun. There's no harm doing it. This is a pretty hot pink color. This is from Estee Lauder. The number is 535. The texture is really good, very smooth, very moist. You don't feel like very dry on your lips. You know, very good formula. It makes my lip feel really good. Alright, then I'm going back into this slightly light pink. I'm just gonna tap on my lid to give it like a matte finish. So last but not least, we're gonna set the whole makeup with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright guys, this is the final look of the makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead with tidy up my hair, and then I'll come back to you guys in a short while. Alright guys, this is the final look of the makeup, and I put up a high ponytail just to kind of accentuate the whole makeup look. I also film like how I do this hair tutorial in my coming video, so if you want to know how I do this hair tutorial, please stay tuned for it. And so yeah, this is the final look. The whole pinkish pink eyeshadow, pink blushes, and pink lipstick. I am loving this makeup so much with the hair. It looks like a Barbie doll for me. I used to collect a lot of Barbie dolls when I was a kid, and like this is like sort of the kind of Barbie doll look from my memory. I hope this can help you girls also to recreate your own makeup using the tricks, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a thumbs up to my video and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to drop any suggestions or ideas in the comment section down below. Let me know what kind of hair tutorials or what kind of makeup that you want to see me recreating using all the products that I have. Also, please make sure to check out my Instagram over here. I do post on a daily basis. Give me a follow and come and say hi to me if you're coming from my YouTube channel. I will be so happy and grateful to see you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video.